Hey everyone, how you doing? We are so excited that you guys are here on this page. We're even more excited, Jennifer King and I, because yes, we are offering you guys a very free coupon class. It is our first in-person class for the year, and we are putting out 200 free tickets just for you. So you want to go to savingourway.com, go ahead and press that button that says coupon class so that you can grab your tickets. Other than that, your tickets are going to be $20 to get in, guys, per person. So yeah, get over there. We love giving you guys stuff absolutely free. And do me a favor, share this to your page so that if there are other people that you know that want to get in on a free coupon class so that they can become savvy shoppers, learning how to maximize their money, guys, then go ahead and share so that they can also get a free ticket. Now check it out. I am in one of my stockpile rooms. And, this could be you, this could be your future, this could be your friend, building a stockpile just like this, whether it's, a big stockpile, a small stockpile, depending on your family size. All I know is you can afford this too by paying with less cash and this right here, guys, and more coupons. So we are putting out a ton of deals for you guys when you get to our class, but you guys are gonna need the coupon. So get to savingourway.com, get in on my special promotion for Express News so that you too can pay that low out of pocket at the register, and you can do this, guys, build a stockpile just like mine. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to savingourway.com and jennifersaves.com so that you guys can get in on all of the deals and do this, guys. Build a stockpile just like this. Again, paying a super low out of pocket, paying with more coupons and less cash. All right, guys, get out there and save.